my name is Varian Harris, and today I will be presenting my Java Week 6 final coding project. This week, we were tasked with creating an automated version of the popular card game, War. The first class that I created was the card class. It contains the field's value and name. We included our getters and setters for both, as well as a method to describe the card. The second class that I created was the deck, containing a list of named cards, our creation of the deck with names and corresponding suits, as well as our iteration through the deck, our getters and setters, and 3 methods. The first to describe each card in the deck, the second to shuffle the deck, and the third to draw a card from the deck. The third class that I created was the player class. It contains the fields hand, which is also a list of cards, score, and player name. Here, we set the score equal to 0, since we need it to be 0 at the start of the game. We include our getters and setters, as well as 4 methods. The first is the describe method, which is going to print out player info and describe each card in the player's hand. The second is our flip method, used to remove and return the top card in the hand. The third is our draw method. It's going to draw a card from the deck and add the card to the hand. And lastly, our increment score method, which will add 1 to the player's score field. Finally, I created my app class to pull everything together. I started by instantiating a deck and 2 players, and then shuffling the deck. Next, we iterated through the deck 52 times, alternating draws between both players. After this, we then iterate 26 times, once for each of the 26 rounds, flipping and showcasing both players' drawn cards. After comparing the values of the players' flipped cards, we award a point to whomever had the higher card. At the end of the game, the final scores from both players are compared and a winner is declared, or a draw if there's no winner. We'll go ahead and run this. As you see at the start of the game, we have a standard deck of 52 cards that's printed to the console, as well as our player info. Somewhere in between here is where the deck gets shuffled. And then the start of the game, round 1. Player 2 wins the round. 26 rounds. And the outcome of the game was player 2 wins. This has been my Java Week 6 final coding project. I appreciate you for sticking along this far. Thank you. Have a good one.